Today's going to be a get ready with me for pajama party with my friends, so let's get into it. Alright, so first I'm going to start with the makeup. I'm going to add some concealer. Don't mind the music in the back. Some blush. Powder. Eyeshadow. Eyeliner. Highlights. Mascara. I'm gonna add some lip liner. Lip gloss. I'm gonna add some of this blush. Setting spray. Moving on to the hair. Hey guys, my hair is ready, my makeup's ready. I look a mess today, don't mind how I look. I'm gonna show you guys the PJs I'll be wearing to the pajama party. Okay, so here are my PJs. I'm going with the simple flannel PJs. Hey guys, here are the PJs I'm gonna wear. Pretty simple. Hey guys, I'm ready. Thanks for watching this video. I'm about to leave in like an hour. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.